And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. National champion Kishane Thompson is looking to be the first Jamaican man to secure a medal in the 100 meters at the World Athletics Championships since 2017 and the first to win gold since 2015. Former World Championship medalist and TVJ track and field analyst Warren Ware is banking on Thompson and at least another Jamaican to get on the podium and restore Jamaica's men's sprinting to the pinnacle.
World leader Kishane Thompson has run the fastest time for the men's 100 meters in 10 years with a personal best of 9.75 seconds at the national trials in June, and he heads the list of favorites for the gold medal in Tokyo. He has teammates 2024 World Indoor Bronze medalist Akeem Blake and two-time World Championships finalist Seville for company. Also among those in the medal mix are defending champion Noah Lyles and his countryman Kenny Bednarek of the USA. The silver medalist behind Lyles from Budapest, Letsile Tobogo of Botswana, will have something to say, as do World Indoor 60-meter bronze medalist South Africa's Akane Simbine. Simbine, the only man to beat Thompson this season, has never won a medal in the past 7 Global Championship 100-meter finals he's contested and is desperate to be on the podium. There are 27 men under the 10-second mark this season, so there will be no shortage of athletes potentially in the medal mix. This includes Britain's bronze medalist from 2023, Zarnell Hughes, who's Seville's training partner. Meanwhile, the Jamaicans, especially Thompson and Seville, are not short of confidence. Thompson posted 9.87 seconds to beat Lyles with 9.90 seconds at the Cilicia Diamond League meet on August 16 to avenge his Paris Olympics defeat.
In terms of what's going to stop me, I'm the only one that can stop me. I don't say that to brag, but to be honest, once I better my execution, amazing things going to happen.
Seville is also backing himself to finally come good. He beat Lyles on his Diamond League debut in London and then again in Lausanne, registering a convincing win in torrential conditions.
I'm one of the top elite athletes in the world, and no one can take that away from me. It's just that I haven't delivered on the world stage, and for sure, one day it will happen.
TVJ track and field analyst Warren Ware says he's feeling positive with this crop of sprinters in Tokyo.
For years, we are covered with face because, we are a little shame because, we not get them out of the men 100. And, me living in the States is not easy for me because where I live where most of the athletes train.
Yeah.
So when a man see me and a man say, we're going to see men 100, man. I say, that's relax, man. We are farm. So I definitely think that we've been farming now. And I don't know which crop is. And I cut the plant and we are kind of reap it now.
The Olympic and World Championship 200 meters medalist adds the Jamaican trio may very well spring a surprise.
Kishane and Oblique and Akeem, they've been doing very good so far, Kishane got the medal last year, Akeem got an indoor medal last year. Seville is on the verge of proving himself that, me can be a part of the party too, And he has been running good this season, but, no matter unless they get a medal, he can run good. But I think it's coming together, and we definitely can do some damage there where we can leave the world shocked by saying, it's not a fluke. We were, and we are still the champions of the world.
TVJ Sports track and field analyst Warren Ware. The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJ-SN and One Spot Media with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12.